How to make formulas in Google Sheets. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'll guide you through the basics of using formulas effectively in Google Sheets. You'll learn how to create and format formulas to make your data management easier and more efficient. So I'll start by showing you how to access the formula input area. So first go to the cell where you want the answer, and then on the top beside fx you'll see a white blank space. Tap on it. So this is where you enter your formula. Just remember, starting your formula with an equal sign is crucial. So, equal sign and using proper syntax to avoid errors is the most important part. So, I'll teach you what syntax would you use to create a sum. So, type in SUM, and then here you'll find the sum option appear. So, just tap on it, and then now you'll need to select the cells which you want the sum of. So, just drag it down and then close it with the bracket and then hit enter, and there you'll get the sum. If you want to edit it, then just tap on the answer again, go to the formula bar, and then if you want the sum only till B6, then tap on it and then hit backspace and then put B5 and then hit enter. You can easily change if you have made any mistake as well. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.